Have you ever wanted to see another galaxy with your own eyes? This week, you'll have a chance to spot the Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest galactic neighbor. And it's so massive, it hides a supermassive black hole at its heart. And the best part? You don't need a giant telescope, just the right timing, a clear night, and maybe a pair of binoculars. Let's break down exactly when, where, and how you can see Andromeda in the skies over Massachusetts and much of the Northern Hemisphere. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31 or M31, sits about 2.5 million light-years away. That means the faint light reaching your eyes tonight started traveling across space long before humans even existed. Andromeda is enormous, stretching 260,000 light-years across. To put that into perspective, it's more than double the size of our Milky Way. Inside its center lurks a supermassive black hole, about 140 million times more massive than our Sun. This monster influences the motion of billions of stars and will one day, about 4.5 billion years from now, merge with our Milky Way in a colossal galactic collision. So when should you look? The best times are late September through early October. Right after nightfall, you'll see Andromeda rising in the eastern sky. By midnight, it will appear nearly overhead, making it easiest to spot. By dawn, you'll find it drifting toward the western horizon. Plan your stargazing for a clear, dark night, preferably away from city lights. Okay, here's the step-by-step guide. First, locate the Great Square of Pegasus, 4 bright stars forming a large square in the eastern sky. From the star Alpheratz, the top left corner of that square, follow the chain of stars that forms the Andromeda constellation. About 2 star hops away, you'll notice a faint fuzzy patch of light. That's Andromeda. To the naked eye, it looks like a smudge. With binoculars, you'll start to see its oval shape. And with a small telescope, you can make out its bright central core and faint spiral arms stretching outward. What's incredible is that Andromeda isn't just a pretty smudge in the sky. It's a window into the universe. You're looking at a galaxy with 1 trillion stars, billions of planets, and vast clouds of dust and gas. And deep in its heart lies that supermassive black hole, invisible to the eye but detected by astronomers through the movement of surrounding stars. That black hole is actively shaping the future of the galaxy. Seeing Andromeda isn't just about spotting a faint galaxy. It's about witnessing cosmic history in real time. The light entering your eyes tonight began its journey more than 2 million years ago, before early humans walked the Earth. And in billions of years, our descendants, if they're still around, will witness an even greater spectacle. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda, creating one giant elliptical galaxy often nicknamed Milkomeda. So, grab your binoculars, step outside on a clear night this week, and take a look toward Andromeda. You'll be connecting not only with another galaxy, but also with the deep history of the cosmos. If you've never tried stargazing before, this is the perfect opportunity, because Andromeda is one of the very few galaxies you can see without advanced equipment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more astronomy content. And let us know in the comments. Have you spotted Andromeda before, or will this be your first time?